Alrighty, everyone, welcome. Hopefully this will be a short video, just covering Simple SciFi from Chip Walters. A few of us seem to be having a problem. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's on Mac only, or I think some Windows people have also been having an issue. But I'm just doing a quick video so we can maybe see who else is having similar issues or different issues, or what's going on with this, so Chip and Greasy can hopefully get this ironed out. I don't know much about it. I've opened it up 2 or 3 times. I haven't really got a chance to look at it other than the video, which I have right here. I got Chip's video where right up until the point he starts messing with it. But this is one of the problems right here, and he's using the free version. He's not demonstrating the he's using the pro version. I don't think neither Chip or Greasy actually demos the free version, so I don't know. But anyway, let's give a shot here. See if this is a newer version. There was a Sci-Fi free 32 blend file, but it's been updated to 33 blend, 119 megabytes. And let's give it a shot. Hopefully we open instead of crash, which is one of the popular things that it's been doing. Okay, for those of you let's shrink this down and get it centered over to where we can see it. For those of you that are following along with the video, this seems to happen a lot, and everyone's HardOps, you name it, every video out there of an add-on. You're following the video to the T, but what is shown or what is being shown in the video is just not happening on your computer. And this is where the problem comes in learning on YouTube. It could be a lot of things. Like I said, I do security on my computer. So there's a lot of things that could be interfering, and doing things, and that's fine with me. If it's that big of a deal, I can troubleshoot my own computer and stuff. I got a terminal here, like a little more powerful than the command window in Windows, but where I can troubleshoot things a lot better. I can get down into code and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, I'm digressing here. We take a look back at Chip. We see right here, he just opened it up. If I was to go back, but anyway, he just opened it up, and he has this nice, clean, clear view right here that doesn't look like a cube. It looks like a plane, and all the designs are on it. And this is the window right here, what I have open, and we're in the same mode right here. But you can see mine doesn't look like his. Mine is a cube, as you can tell when I get out of it. It's just a cube. And we don't really get to see what his is. I assume it's a plane, but this is where you're stuck, because he's gonna change some settings over here, and this is gonna change and stuff. But we're stuck with this to where no matter what we do, no matter what I do over here, nothing is happening. I can move either one of these. Nothing is happening. I have the MP pack right here, Shapes, CAS MP, Shapes, CAS P. Same thing he's working with here. Well, a Pro version, a DAX NP and a DAX P, but we have the same thing. See, they got the Pro up here enabled. We have the basic pack. You can see that right here. Pro doesn't have anything in it, the basic pack. Now, let me see. I don't know. I haven't really got into troubleshooting this. I think Chip and Greasy are still working on it. Oh well, I'm doing the video anyway. We'll go up here. Let's turn this on. It says not to do it. Oh no, it says don't touch. Setup up here, don't touch. Don't touch. Okay, why is that not? Why does that say don't touch? Don't touch. Oh, okay, it's a camera. That's all. He just has a that's where the camera is. Worldwide, I'm in now. So, so we can see. We close this back up. We can see we're in a camera, but if we were to go over here to look for the camera, we can see. We don't see a camera in the list here. You might be wondering where, but so they tucked it away in that don't touch setup, and all that's in there is the camera. But see now here's the D-Pack. Since we've unlocked, we can see everything. You can see how the D-Pack is set up, and all the different things that we're supposed to see in it. So, like I said, we'll lock that back up. Go back where we're supposed to be. But we don't. But what we see down here. See, we should be seeing down here the output attributes, but we got an error message down here saying node group has undefined nodes or sockets, which has to do with geometry nodes, and that might be what I just showed you guys up here with all these D-Pack shapes and stuff and everything. That could be why we're not seeing nothing happen over here when we move our sliders. Something's supposed to be happening right here, but it's not happening. So because there's somewhere, like I said, I haven't looked into this really. Is there? No, there's no scripts that I can see. But like I said, I haven't done it. But there's a connection broken somewhere, and all I did was open it. I just went on my hard drive, downloaded it, hit the open button in Blender, and opened the blend file. And this is where we're at. And right here on the get-go, this is where we're at. We got a broken socket or something, or an undefined node that's not connected somewhere. Now it could be working in Windows or someone else's Mac. Like I said, I'm on a 2015 Mac. I'm on a much older Mac, High Sierra 10.13. Maybe someone with a newer Mac, might be working better. But I've seen other people on Mac also saying they're crashing and stuff, and people on Windows have said they're crashing, and the Pro version is crashing. Some people can open free version and it works fine. So it's a little. It seems to be a little buggy right now. that's all I can say. Like I said, when I get some free time, I might delve in, into everything here and see what's going on. I don't have the Pro pack, so I can't really help anybody on that. Yeah. So this is where we're at right here. Dots, okay, all the different, interesting, but that's about it for this video. Not much else I can show you. Oh, I didn't disable that. There, I'll go back to that. Not much I can show you because this is all that's that I got access to right now. I can't even render anything or do anything. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the Discord, and let me know if this is what you're seeing, or I know some of you that the file won't even open at all, so you can't even get this far. But let's see what we can figure out here. I don't know. Chip and Greasy are in bed. I know I'm on the West Coast, so. It's only 6 o'clock here. It might be 9 o'clock where they're at. They could be in bed. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the Discord.